Is it the season? I don't know, but I happen to find these in the market. Naseberry, pronounced as neeseberry in Jamaica, also known as sapodilla, is a tropical fruit native to the Caribbean and Central America. Neeseberry is a very sweet-tasting fruit with a skin the texture of sandpaper, but just as edible as its sweet flesh. The most common way to eat neeseberry in Jamaica is to pick it from the tree and bite straight into it. Neeseberry contains a great number of nutritional benefits such as high in fiber, iron, protein, carbohydrates, vitamin C, and vitamin A. It is also rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals in the body that causes cold and flu. Have you seen or tasted this fruit before? If you have, do you like it? Let me know in the comments.